Hey Pyros, welcome back. We're doing a demo today on a cake from SFX out of Florida. It is called Zippee. 49 shots. Not a big cake, it's 200 grams. It does have this cool effect, some people call it go-getters. But 5-shot burst of the green hummers. And it does have a finale with 5 green star breaks. So the case brings 8 of these, so you can hook up all 8. But anyway, let's go take a look. Please don't forget, comment, subscribe, like. Thanks for your support. Bye.